Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. The house's exterior is a deep inky black, a color that absorbs the sunlight and casts long, dramatic shadows across the landscape. This darkness serves to highlight the stark contrast between the man-made structure and the natural world. Yet, the house does not feel imposing or out of place. Rather, it seems to blend seamlessly into the environment, as if it had always been there, a part of the tropical garden's timeless beauty. The house's design incorporates a harmonious blend of natural black stone and wood. The exterior walls are clad in smooth black stone, providing a solid foundation for the structure. The stone's dark hue complements the overall aesthetic, creating a sense of depth and sophistication. Wooden accents are used throughout the exterior, adding warmth and character to the design. The combination of stone and wood creates a visual interest, while also providing a sense of stability and grounding. The most striking feature of the house is its rustic thatched roof. This traditional element adds a touch of warmth and character to the otherwise minimalist design, suggesting a connection to the local culture and history. The thatched roof is also a practical choice, providing natural insulation and protection from the elements. As the wind whips through the trees, the roof rustles gently, creating a soothing, almost hypnotic sound. Surrounding the house is a lush tropical garden, filled with a variety of exotic plants and flowers. The garden is designed to create a sense of privacy and seclusion, while also providing a connection to the natural world. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze, their fronds casting dappled shadows on the ground. Vibrant flowers bloom in a riot of color, attracting butterflies and hummingbirds. In front of the house, a sparkling swimming pool invites relaxation and refreshment. The pool is surrounded by a sun deck, providing a comfortable space for sunbathing and enjoying the tropical climate. The pool's reflection creates a shimmering mirror, reflecting the sky and the surrounding foliage. The interior of the house is equally minimalist and sophisticated. Clean lines, natural materials, and ample natural light create a sense of spaciousness and tranquility. Large windows offer panoramic views of the garden and the pool, blurring the lines between indoors and out. The house is a place to relax, to unwind, and to connect with nature on a deep and meaningful level. This modern black house is more than just a dwelling. It is a sanctuary, a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and find peace and serenity. It is a testament to the power of design to create a harmonious relationship between man and nature, a reminder that we are all interconnected and interdependent. As the sun sets over the horizon, casting the house in a warm, golden glow, it is impossible not to feel a sense of awe and wonder at the beauty of this extraordinary place. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.